Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am showing you guys the new seamless clip-ins from Betterlength. So this is what we're starting with, freshly washed and straightened hair. These are the clip-ins from Betterlength. I have the 16-inch Kinky Coarse seamless clip-ins, and I'm just going to show you guys how I install them and how I style them. But this is just how they come packaged. The band on these seamless clip-ins are super thin, really flat. You guys know I love my clip-ins, and I do find that these are actually less bulky than your regular clip-ins, lighter if you will. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into the video. You guys have seen me clip my hair in a million times, so I'm gonna kind of breeze through this segment. All I'm doing is lightly running the flat iron through the clip-ins just to flatten them out a little bit, because this is the natural texture of it. It is a kinky straight texture, and I want to curl it, so I don't want them to be like bone straight, because I want my hair to have volume to it. So I'm leaving the hair kind of fluffy, but yeah, we're just clipping them in. So we are almost halfway through, well, more than halfway through, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. I really could stop here, but I'm going to add a few more clips to the top, but this is what we're looking like. The blend is always amazing. So I'm adding 2 more clips to the top, and this set comes with 10 pieces for your whole head, and I'm only using 8. So you can definitely get a nice full look with just one set of clip-ins. You don't have to use them all, but yeah. And I have thick hair, so 8 pieces, amazing. So yeah, I'm just adding the last little 2 clip piece at the top because I kind of want like a flip over no part look today, just like bombshell fluffy hair. So that's the look that I'm going for. Here I am about to start curling the hair. I am using a 1 1/4 inch curling iron, and I'm just throwing loose. I wouldn't even say tight. These are going to be loose curls because I do want the body of a curl, but I don't want them to be tight. So we're not curling our hair tight. If what I said made any sense at all, we're curling our hair. That's what we're doing. And also, let's talk about the fact that I still have yet to master curling my hair. I don't know, but what I'm doing is getting the job done. And I'm taking big sections because I don't want like tight curls. I want like a big body wave, if that makes any sense, like bombshell, Victoria's Secret back in the day hair. So, yeah, this is what all the curls look like. I did pin some of them up, and I really wish I would have pinned all my curls to like just till they cooled off. Um, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna recurl my hair and try to pin curl them all just so they can kind of be all in unison, if that makes any sense. But this is the look. This is the look we are going for. I wanted something really nice and kind of effortless looking, so I am going to brush through the curls so they can just blend. So yeah, this is what we look like. This is a 16-inch set. I don't know if I said that already. All my clip-ins are so long. I wanted something a little shorter, and I love the length of this. So yeah, I will have a link for these clip-ins in the description box for you guys, as well as a coupon code. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.